All right, we've got one last question for section 2.1. It's kind of a fun challenge question. It's going to make us think backwards a little bit about subsets. So the question is, if a set has 31 proper subsets, then how many elements does that set have? Notice it's kind of similar to the questions we did in the last video, but it's backwards. Right? In the other videos, we were trying to figure out how many proper subsets do you have, and we knew how many elements it had. So we're going to have to think backwards with this one. If you want to, definitely feel free, pause the video, give this a try on your own first would be an excellent idea. And then whenever you're ready, jump back in. As we think about this question, we still have to use the idea of knowing the relationship between the number of elements and the number of proper subsets. If we have n elements, then we have 2 to the n subsets, and we had 2 to the n all minus 1 proper subsets. So we're really starting at the bottom here, right? We know that this number is 31. So let's think for a minute then, how many subsets would this set have? Well, we took the number of subsets and took away 1 to get proper subsets, so we would just add that 1 back to see that there are 32 subsets. So now what we're doing is we're just looking for n. And we can do this a little bit with just some guess and check. We're looking for the correct number that makes 2 raised to that number, 32. So we could try some different things, right? Like 2 to the power of 3. Well, that's only 8. That doesn't work. 2 to the power of 4 is only 16. That doesn't work. But 2 to the power of 5, 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2, 5 times, is indeed 32. So because it was 2 to the power of 5, this power was my elements. So I will have 5 elements in my set if I have 31 proper subsets. That is going to wrap up section 2.1 for us. We will jump in next time with a set of videos for section 2.2. And in 2.2, what we're going to do is we're going to start to do set operations. So if we think about like number operations, we do things like add them and subtract them and things like that. We're going to figure out how can you take multiple sets and combine them in different ways to get new sets. So that will be in section 2.2. See you next time.